Okay, in this video, we have a problem with an avatar, how the avatar walks. I'm going to show you right now. A very funny kind of a twist and a bounce there. Not sure how this happened actually, but who knows? Maybe the software went wild on me, or maybe I did something wrong. So if you have something like this going on with your avatar, how do you fix it? Well, let's see. So I'm going to pause this here, see what the problem is now. Go to the scene, and first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at this. Let me rotate this a tiny bit there. Okay. So, I'm just going to look at what I have here. Okay. The green high heels I found is a problem. So, and I think what we have to actually do here is let me see if it happens when I turn. Yeah, we have to actually delete them, not just turn them off. We have to delete these green heels. Watch what happens to the feet once that's done. See, the feet plant down now. So that's interesting. Something went crazy there because of those shoes, but we're going to fix all that. So in this avatar, one of the features here was this turntable. I'm not sure if it comes with all the avatars. Might be an option you can enable somewhere in Character Creator, but it happened to be with this avatar, and I like it because instead of just seeing a shadow, I can see a nice, really high contrast ground plane there. Helps me align things. So what we're going to do now first here is we're going to play this again now that we've taken the shoes off. Let's see what happens. Yeah, still a really bad walk, right? Really bad walk. Okay, so let's put that on pause. Now let's fix this problem up. So the first thing we're going to do to fix this up is we're going to go over to make sure we're selecting the CC3 base plus. That's for the avatar here. And then we'll go over to the modify section, and under this tab category, we're going to go to foot contact. It's selected already. That's what we want to have selected. And then we're going to go to this icon here, and we're going to go to edit pose. It's this one here. Click on that. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to turn this sideways. We're going to go to the side and home here. Sorry, yeah, that's way out of. Okay, there, that's what we want. The side view. You usually click S. And let's zoom in and move this up here. So normally what we'll do here is just straighten this avatar out so the leg is straight. Make sure these locks are on. Okay, normally they are, but just make sure. And now we're gonna make sure this one is selected, this little green and right in the middle there. The hip. And hit the world move button. We're gonna move the avatar so our knee is straight. Okay. You can probably go higher, but I think just so that knee is straight on this knee here. Now let's close down the edit pose box and let's go. Let's play the avatar now. Let's play the avatar. Yeah, I gotta reload the motion to play it. It is. And the walk motion. Let's see what's happening now when I hit the play. Gotta load it first. Here's it loads. Okay, now let's go to side view again, and let's just make sure we're seeing the edge there. Now let's do the walk cycle. Yeah, everything looks nice now, right? So now what we can do, I just want to check one thing here, is our gizmo. Yeah, it's at the base. So this gizmo usually want that at the base. Now what we're going to do is put her shoes back on. So let's find out where the shoes are. I had a pack. This is the pack I bought, and it had these shoes I wanted. So let's just double click these shoes. They should go back on our avatar. And you see the shoes came on. Now, nice thing is, I think everything works now. Yeah, see the contact is nice there. So we have successfully fixed our problem. The walk is fixed now. So that's all there's to it. I hope this video is helpful for someone. And make sure to like and share it with anyone else you know. And stay tuned for more videos. Take care.